Hey everyone, this is Abbas from Tech Radar, and we have the new Honor View 20 with us in the office today. Now, this is Honor's flagship product for at least the start of the year. Hopefully something else comes along towards the end of the year, but this is their flagship product. It was launched as the V20 in China, I believe, some weeks back. It's also got a crazy good new camera sensor from Sony, a 48 megapixel sensor, which is supposed to take photography to new levels. We're going to test that out later, but right now we're just going to unbox this particular product. So this one is the blue version, and if you guys can see, it's got 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Plenty to store those high resolution photos. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now this comes in blue and red, and we have the blue version. I'm just going to keep the phone aside for a sec just to see what else is in the box, and we're going to get to that again. So this is your SIM tool, tray ejection tool, whatever you want to call that. There's a clear case, very much like almost all other Honor phones that we've seen. That's included in here. USB cable, let's hope it's Type-C. Yes, it is Type-C. They've used micro USB previously on some of the other phones, so it's good to know that this one's using Type-C. It's a flagship product, you'd expect that. And this is their charger. This is the supercharger. I'm not sure what the wattage on it is, but if this is anything like the Huawei Mate 20, expect the phone to charge super quickly. Alright, so let's keep all of that aside and let's bring the phone over here. So this has that V design on the back where when you sort of move around the phone, you can kind of see how the V's kind of go up and down. Looks really slick. I don't know what they've done for this. Hopefully we'll find out a little bit more when the event in Paris happens in a couple of weeks. And you've got 3 camera setup. There's a fingerprint sensor as well on the back. On this side, it's fairly clean. You just have the SIM tray. Right here at the bottom is the USB Type-C connector, and then you've got a speaker grill. On this side we have the volume buttons and the power key, and then hey, the 3.5mm jack on top. Fantastic, good to know that Honor sort of sticking to that. There's a screen protector on that. Let me go ahead and power it. And what the other interesting part about this phone is that it's the first phone that we've gotten which has this punch hole technology in the screen, which means that you've got a little bit of a punch hole. There's no notch, but there's this little cutout over here where the front camera resides. And let's wait for the phone to sort of power up. Hopefully through the screen you're going to be able to see that. But the phone feels really good in your hand. I mean, it's okay, there we go. So I think you can kind of see that little cutout on there. That's what the punch hole is for. And this is the rest of the phone. There's literally no forehead, just a slight chin at the bottom. We'll make sure that we put this phone through its test and see how it is as far as performance is concerned, camera is concerned. All of that is yet to come. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of the unboxing of the Honor View 20. This is Abbas signing out. Stay tuned to Tech Radar. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you're notified for all of our new videos.